First bag that we have here is this one from Dakine. Okay, Dakine, I'm not sure how to say it. But with this bag in particular, you've got the inside. It also comes with, I believe, a snowboarding boot bag as well. So essentially how I pack this bag is we have a miniature pocket up top. This is where I put like my kind of like screws and screwdrivers. So this is where I put that sort of stuff. And then the inside is where you would put your helmet and your boots. So if we actually test this bag out, here you put my snowboard, and then if I grab boots, I mean the boots can just go over here and here. Obviously this isn't the best way to actually pack this bag. And then lastly, we have our helmet here. And if we close this up, this is what it essentially turns out to, okay? So usually when I travel, I've traveled with this well more than 7 times I'd say. But usually when we travel with this, we pack it with clothes just so it kind of stays more compact. Be careful of the airline that you actually do that with though, because sometimes when you actually check this in, they ask if you've added anything to it, and you're not supposed to. It's only supposed to be sports equipment supposedly. But with that though, this is what the bag looks like when packed. And things I like about it is number one, it rolls. So if you do plan on traveling, definitely get one that rolls. And then the second thing I like about this bag is this portion here, okay? So this portion here actually straps onto another handle. So another handle meaning like a check-in or carry-on, and this is super convenient so that you could actually grab onto this handle, and you can grab onto this handle, and you could also grab onto your carry-on or check-in at the same time. So I've done this plenty of times before, like had a check-in bag and also had the snowboarding bag, and it's super convenient to just, if you could imagine like a handle goes here, it's super convenient to actually just grab onto that bag. But let me actually show you with an actual carry-on though. So for example, if I have a carry-on, okay, I have a carry-on, the strap itself would actually loop around the carry-on, and then you would strap it down so that it stays like that, okay? So right now there's nothing in my carry-on, so I'm afraid it might tip over, but this is what it looks like, and then you just hold it and basically drag around the airport. Now other things I really like about this bag is that of course it has wheels. And then in addition to that, if we actually take a look at the back side, there are no straps on this bag, okay? So something to keep in mind is that you can't put this around your back and carry it on your back. There are no straps to this bag. But essentially that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and move on to the next snowboarding bag.